natin to kinancel pala kasi nga given tayo ng mga pressure values. Okay? So, plus ZA na 9 meter minus HL. Okay? So, sa HL pala dito, okay, since Q ang hinahanap sa atin, determine na Q, okay? So, dito natin yung kukunin. Okay? Kasi nga, di ba, kapag friction factor, ang formula niya is 0.0826 FLQ square over D raised to 5. Pwede natin makuha yan. So actually, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute agad. Okay, so 0.0826 times F na 0.02 times L natin na 9,000 meter. Okay, times Q, okay, na unknown natin, over 0.9 meter raised to 5. Plus, okay, or equals pala, sorry, equals to 400 kPa plus P. Okay, 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 over gamma. Okay, so paano nangyari yan? Okay. Paano nangyari yan? Alam mo, ito yung formula mo eh, PB over gamma. I-given ka ng PB na 400 kPa plus PA over gamma. Okay. Sinubstitute lang natin itong given. Okay. Tapos ito pa, further, pwede mong actually paghiwalayin yan, yung denominator niya. Since pareho lang naman, so pwede natin paghiwalayin 400 over gamma plus P over PA over gamma. Pwede natin to i-cancel, eliminate agad. Okay? So ngayon, ang magiging equation natin, okay, is 9 meter minus 0.0826 times 0.02 times 9,000 meter times Q2 o Q raised to 2 over 0.9 raised to 5 is equals to 400. Okay, sinabi ba na water? Okay, water. Okay. Over, since KPA yan, okay, 9.81 kilonewton per cubic. Okay, so isa lang yung unknown natin. We can now shift solve for the answer. Okay, shift solve natin, guys. Okay. Shift solve natin. So yun yung mag-solve kayo dyan, guys. Okay. So lumabas sa akin dito is yung Q natin ay yung flow in our reservoir is equals to 1.123 cubic meters per second. Yan yung sagot natin for number 12 question. Okay? So next tayo. Okay. So the term that describes a U-shaped pipe used to prevent sewer gases from entering a room. Okay. So basic. Okay. Trap seal, hindi. Okay. Vent, hindi din. Check valve, hindi. Trap yan. Yung trap seal, guys, okay. Ito yung trap. Okay. U-trap. Okay. Yung tubig. Okay, na nagtatrap. Yan yung trap seal. Okay. Okay. Trap. Okay. So, problem number 13. Tayo. Last 3 problems tayo. Okay. Last 3 problems. So, for problem number 13, okay, 2 reservoir pa rin siya. Okay. So, compute the discharge of oil which is specific gravity of 0.8 from reservoir 1, number 1, elevation 25. Okay. To the 2 reservoir number 2 which have elevation of 3.5. So if the 305 meter diameter pipe has end values or Manning's coefficient of 0.022 and a total length of 68 meter. So alam natin agad si reservoir A or reservoir 1 is greater than reservoir number 2. Okay, sulat natin 2 and 1. Okay. Diameter natin, okay, is 0.305 meter. Yung length is 68 meters. And yung N is 0.022. Elevation nito is 25. Ito naman is 3.5 meters. Okay. So, ayan, let's solve this problem. Okay, let's analyze. Okay. So, ganito. Solve natin yan. Okay. So, sulat natin yung Bernoulli's equation natin. E1 is equals to, ay minus HL is equals to E2. Then, break natin ulit. P1 over gamma plus G1 squared over 2G plus Z1 minus HL is equals to P2 over gamma plus V2 squared over 2G plus Z2. Okay? So, since walang given na pressure, okay? So, cancel na natin to. Kasi exposed to the atmosphere. Wala naman sinabi na enclosed yan. Okay? Velocity head, wala din. Okay? So, dito, flow pa rin yung hinahanap. Okay? So, Z1 minus HL equals to Z2. Okay? Alam mo na hindi, since hindi na kailangan natin maglagay ng datum since given na yung elevation. Okay? So, dito, Z1 natin, elevation niya is 25 meters minus HL. Okay? HL natin dito, okay, so ipasok ko na din yung equation. So, 10.29. Okay? N natin dito is 0.022 square times yung length na 68 meters times Q, okay, raised to 2 over, D natin dito is 0.305 meter raised to 16 over 3 is equals to Z2, which is 3.5. Okay? So, using our calculator, shift solve natin, lalabas dyan is 0.336 cubic meter per second. Okay, so, that is our answer for problem number 13. Okay? Okay? So, answer na natin to. So, the vertical distance between the dip and the crown of where is known as, okay, so alam na natin kanina, as I discussed, the Trapp's Hill. Okay? Letter A. Okay? So, problem number 14. Okay, this is related sa reservoir, three reservoir problem naman. Okay, so solve natin. Okay, so a new 450 diameter cast iron pipe with 600 meter long carries 0.25 cubic meter per second from reservoir A. Okay, so discharging in two new cast iron pipes, each has 450 meter long. One pipe is 300 mm in diameter and leads to reservoir B, in which the water level naman is 4.6 meter lower than A. Okay? So if the water surface in reservoir C is 6 meters lower than A, okay, determine the diameter of the pipe leading to reservoir C, assuming F is equal to 0.02 for all pipes. Okay, paano natin to isosolve? Okay, in this type of problem. Okay? So, in this problem, alam natin na case number 1 siya agad. Case number 1. Kasi nga, given tayo ng Q. Okay? So, drawing natin yung problem natin. So, say, A to. Okay? Then, meron siyang pipe na. Okay? LA. Dito na lang sa baba. LA is equals to 600 meters yung length. DA naman is 0. Diameter niya 45. Okay? Then yung Q niya given which is 0.25 cubic meter per second. Okay? Dito sa problems, in-state na si A is mas pataas kay B. Okay? With 4.5 meters. Okay? So, ganito yung configuration niya. Okay? this is si B, okay? So pag kinuha mo yung distance nilang dalawa, okay, meron kang equals to 4.5. 4.5 ngayon to. Difference elevation niya. Okay? So dito, LB mo o yung length ng B mo is 450 and yung diameter naman ng B mo is, ng pipe B mo is 0.3 meter. Okay? Then si C, sabi si C is mas mataas pa rin si A ng 6 meters. Okay? So, ilagay natin siya dito. Okay. So, C. Okay. So, elevation difference siya. In-exage ko to guys Okay. Para lang makita natin. 6 meters. Okay. Bahala kayo kung paano yung i-drawing. Yung reserve nyo. Okay. So, dito, given tayo ng pipe natin na length na 450 meter. Okay. So, dito, pare-pareho ng F values. Okay. So, paano gagawin natin dito? Okay. Paano gagawin natin? So, first, okay. Alam ba natin yung flow mo is papuntang B, papuntang C. Okay. Alam ba natin yun? Okay. So far, hindi pa. Kasi hindi pa naman sinabi ba? Sinabi pala sa problem. Discharging into 2 new. Okay. So, si QA mo papuntang B at C stated. Okay. So, may equation tayo na QA is equals to QB plus QC. Okay? So, dito, okay, in reservoir, may tinatawag tayong piezometric level. Ito natin yung kulay. Piezometric level. Okay. Yung level nito, kunyari, nandito yung level ng piezometric. Yung difference ng elevation na to, yung surface elevation to, hanggang doon sa piezometric level, is yan yung head loss sa A. For example, dito naman, ito yung level mo, ito yung level ng B, yan naman nandyan naman yung head loss sa B. Okay? Ganun na, yung difference ng surface mo to the piezometric level indicates yung head loss mo. Lagi yung tatandaan yun when we solve a reservoir problem. Okay? Ano to? Okay? Ano to? Okay? Dito pala, sa problem, hindi din sinabi, okay? Hindi sinabi kung yung level mo is above B, okay? Okay, or above C. Ayun. Ay above B or below B or above B. Okay? Hindi natin alam, okay? Okay? So ngayon, alamin muna natin kung nasaan yung level na yan. Okay? Nasaan yung piezometric level na yan. Okay, kung above B ba siya or below B. Okay? So paano? Pansin nyo, given tayo ng Q dito. Then pag may Q, kompleto to, makukuha mo yung head loss sa A. Okay, so kumputin natin yung head loss sa A. Okay. So 0.0826 times 0.02 times 600 meter times 0.25 raised to 2 over 0.45 raised to 5. Okay. So dito, lumabas na value sa akin is 3.30 or 3.357. 3.357. Okay. Pansin nyo agad guys. Okay. Ito natin lang. Okay. Mapapansin nyo dito. Okay. Pag zoom in natin to. Okay. Yung difference of elevation ng A and B is 4.5. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, from elevation to the piezometric level, yun yung head loss. Eh di ngayon, alam mo na yung piezometric level mo is above B. Okay? Kasi nga, from A to the piezometric level, which is yung HA mo, is equal to 3 point HFA is 3.357. Okay. Alam mong pantay yan eh. Hindi naman gagalaw yan. Hindi lang siya pantay sa drawing ko. Pero pantay yan guys. Okay. Same level yan. Okay. Ito yung elevation ng A to the isometric level. Okay. O ngayon, pwede na mo nang makuha. Kasi alam mo naman yung level niya eh. Pwede mo makuha yung difference of elevation nitong dalawa. Okay. Which indicates yung head loss natin sa B. Okay. So, pag sinolve natin yan, okay, so 4.5 is equals to HFA, okay, plus HFB. Okay, alam na natin to, which is 3.357. Okay, so head loss mo sa B ngayon will be equal to 1.143 meters. Meron ka ng head loss sa B. Okay? Dahil mayroon ka ng head loss sa B, pwede mo makuha si head loss C. Pwede mo na makuha yung Q sa B. And pag nakuha mo yung Q sa B, balik ka ngayon dito sa equation mo para makuha mo yung C. Doon na natin makukuha yung hinahanap na diameter at C na DC. Okay, so gawin natin yon guys. Okay. Kunin natin yung, using tong head loss sa B, kunin natin yung Q. Okay. So 1.143 meter is equals to 0.0826 times 0.02 times 450 meter times QB raised to 5 ay raised to 2. Okay. Over 0.3 okay, meters raised to 5. Okay. So using shift solve, lalabas dito is 0.061 cubic meter per second. Yan yung lalabas na value sa atin. So, babalik tayo sa unang equation. QA is equals to QB plus QC. So, QA natin dito kanina, okay, 0.25 is equals to 0.061 plus QC. So, QC is ilan? Ilan yung magiging QC natin? Okay. So, lumabas sa akin is 0.189 cubic meter per second. Okay. Wala pa tayo doon. Okay. Okay. Kunin muna natin yung head loss sa C. Okay. Kunin muna natin yung head loss sa C. Wala pa tayong head loss sa C. Balik tayo ngayon sa equation. Ito yung level niya. So, pantay ito. Alam mo yung difference na elevation ng A at C na equal to 6 meters. Di kapag hinanap mo itong HFC na to, okay, from isometric, HFC yan. So, by geometry, tignan nyo sa figure nyo. So, 6 meters is equals to HFA plus HFC. Okay. So, 6 meters is equals to 3.357 meters plus HFC. Okay, so head loss mo sa C, okay, is equals ngayon sa 2.643 meter. Okay. Since may head loss ka na, pwede mo nang kunin ngayon yung diameter ng C. So using yung formula ng head loss, so 2.643 meter is equals to 0.0826 times 0.02 times 450, okay? So, lipat natin. Times yung QC natin, okay? Times 0.189 raised to 2 over DC raised to 5. Okay? So, using shift solve, ang DC natin dito or sagot natin is 0.398 or meters or 400 mm. Yan yung sagot natin for this problem. Okay? So medyo mahaba siya when regards to reservoir, reservoir. But practice, pwede siyang magamay din. Okay? So next, okay, what is the primary purpose of clean out? Okay? So, alam natin si clean out. Okay? So, allow access, okay, for removing blockage pipes. Okay? Hindi siya for filter, hindi siya to regulate, hindi din siya for backflow. Okay? So, letter B. So, last problem natin guys, okay, sa gabing ito. Okay. So, water is drawn, okay, from reservoir A and reservoir B. Okay, sinabi na yun sa problem. Okay. Pipe A, which is 600 mm in diameter and 300 meter, has a water surface elevation of 120 meter. So, at the end, it branches into B, okay, with a diameter of 450 mm and a length of 600 meters. So, and pipe C, okay naman, na meron namang diameter na 300 mm and length of 300 meters. Okay, so dito, sabi din dito, pipe B leads to reservoir B, okay, which has a surface, okay, elevation of 112. Ayun, given siya. Okay. So, while pipe C discharges freely into the air, neglected head loss due to changes in section bends and using friction factor of 0.02 for all, take note, determine the elevation of the discharge end in C when the flow rate through pipe A is 415 liters per second. Okay. So, ayan, given pa rin si Q. Okay, so case 1 pa rin siya. Okay. How do we answer this? Okay. So, first, i-drawing muna natin. Reservoir natin. So, reservoir A mo, okay. Reservoir B, and ito yung C, which is this, nag-discharge siya through air. Okay, so C, B, A. Okay, given ka ng let ng pipe mo dito na 3,000 meter, D mo na 0.6 meter, and yung Q na 0.415 cubic meter per second. While dito, may pipe ka naman na diameter niya is 0.45. Length mo ng pipe mo is 600 meter. Okay. While yung sa DC naman, okay, is B, 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 A, the A. So DC is 0.3 meter and yung length naman niya is 0. Or 300 meter. Okay? Okay, so let's solve this. Okay, so dito ang pinapahanap lang sa atin dito is elevation ni C. Okay, ano to? Dito si A, elevation nito is 120 meter. Okay, ito naman is, okay, ikat natin to. Okay. This is 112 meters. Okay. So ayun, may piezometric ulit tayo. Okay. We will first identify kung nasaan siya. Okay. So take note pala, okay? Alam natin na yung waters natin will flow from A and B. Okay, so QA plus QB is equals to QC. Ayun. Okay? So ngayon, alam na natin yung flow natin. Ito yung direction of flow. Okay? Okay? Pupunta dito. Okay? So ngayon, gamitin mo natin yung elevation. Okay? Okay? Pwede natin makuha yung difference ng elevation ng A and B, which is equals to 8 meters. And ito naman, okay, ito naman yung difference is unknown pa. Okay? So ngayon, paano natin mahahanap yung elevation o yung piezometric level natin? Okay? Since given tayo ng QA, pwede natin makuha yung HS, yung head loss sa A, then yung gagamitin ulit natin yun para malocate mismo yung location niya. Okay, kung above B or above C. Napaka-critical yan guys lagi. Kailangan alam natin kung above or below ng level ng reservoir B natin. Okay? So, gawin natin. So, HF A is equals to 0.0826 times 0.02 times 3,000 meters times 0.415 cubic meter per second raised to 2 over 0.6 meter raised to 5. Okay. So, gamit calculator natin, ang sagot dyan sa A is 10.977 meters. Okay. So, alam mo, piezometric level ngayon to A, okay, is 10.99 o yan yung HFA. Okay. And di alam mo, from this level, na ito na yung head loss sa B. Okay. And alam mo na hanggang dito, hanggang dyan sa point C, yan na yung HFC. Yan, din ngayon. Okay. So ngayon, madali na natin mahanap si B. Okay. Si head loss sa B. Kasi, alam na natin si A. Kasi alam natin na 8 meters is equals to HFA plus HFB. Okay. Okay. So alam natin si A na 10.977. Okay. So HFB natin to ngayon is ilan? 2.977 meters. Okay. Meron tayong head loss. Okay. So ganun pa rin. Ganun ginawa natin nung una. Hanapin natin yung QB. Okay. So QB, okay, using yung formula ng head loss, so 2.977 meters equals to 0.0826, okay, times 0.02 times 600 meter, okay, times QB squared over D natin na 0.45 meters raised to 5. Okay. So, shift solve, kuha natin 0.235 cubic meter per second. Okay. So ngayon, pwede mo na kuha si QC ngayon. Okay, so QA plus QB is equals to QC. Okay. So 0.415 plus 0.235 equals to QC. So QC is equals to 0.65 ngayon. Okay, cubic meter per second. Okay. So ngayon, pwede mo na makuha si head loss sa C. Okay. So sa head loss sa C, okay, so HFC is equals to 0.0826 times 0.02 times 300 meters raised to times 0.65. Okay. Raised to 2 over 0.3 raised to 5. Okay. Head loss at C is ilan? 86.169 meter. Okay? Para saan yan? Okay? Baka dito sa drawing natin, alam mo na ito si 86. Pansinin mo. Okay? Ano yung pwede natin makitang relationship ng dalawa? Okay? Paano natin po? Okay? Paano i-quantify? Okay? So sa head elevation ng C, okay? Paano natin gagamitin yan? Okay? Dito, okay? Pansinin niyo to, okay? Okay. Alam niyo na ang elevation ng 12 is 100. Ay elevation ng B is 112. Okay. So, dito, from 112, okay, para makuha mo yung elevation sa C, okay, you will use or you will need to minus, okay, yung head loss sa B and head loss sa C. Okay? Yung head loss sa B, tas head loss sa C. Okay? Ganon. Ganon yung pwede nating kunin na relationship. Okay? Oh. Okay. So, kuha ba? Okay. Kuha nyo ba? Okay. So, dito kasi yung dito yung, actually mali itong figure natin. Okay. Dito dapat, below datum line pala tayo. Okay. So, dito, ito siya, oh. Okay, kasi ito, yung HFA is equals sa 10.977. Okay. Then, ito naman si head loss sa B. Okay. Head loss sa B. Okay, so para makuha mo yung head loss, pababa tayo. Okay? Kasi alam mo 'tong elevation na 'to, pababa. Okay? So, elevation ng C equals to 112 meters minus 10.9, mali, minus HFB. Okay? Which is, ano yung head loss sa B? 2.977. Okay? Minus, okay? O minus mo pa, nandito ka na eh. Yung head loss sa C. Yun na, 86.169 meter. Okay. So, ang value nito or ang sagot dito is 22.857 meter. Okay. Yan yung sagot natin for, nawala. Okay. Yung sagot natin for number 15. Okay. And it is our last number to be solved tonight. Okay. So, last natin to. Okay, so, which of the following terms refers to the type of fittings used to change the direction of flow in a pipe? Change direction daw. Okay. Elbow, T, union, or flange. Okay. Okay, so sagot natin dito is elbow. Okay. T, hindi. Elbow, yes. Union, hindi. Flange, hindi. Pantakip yan. Okay. So, do you have any question, guys? Okay. So, for our discussion, meron ba? Okay. Meron ba tayong question? Okay. Nandiyan pa ba kayo, guys? Okay. Yan pa ba? Mukhang wala na sila. Okay. Okay. So, nandiyan pa ba kayo? Thumbs up naman, guys. Okay. Thumbs up. Okay. Thumbs up tayo dyan. Okay. Okay. So if you have if you don't have any question, guys, thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, so medyo nag-extend lang tayo ng sobrang haba. Okay? Around 30 minutes. Okay? So thank you, guys. Okay? So good luck sa exam nyo. We will have refresher or final uh, coaching, okay, with regards to uh, hydraulics. Okay? So, para mas makatulong sa inyo. Okay? Mas lalo yung back solving. Okay? Yun talaga yung key. Okay? So, okay guys, thank you. Thank you everyone. Okay? Thank you. You can now exit yung ano natin. Okay, thank you guys.